Today, we are going to install the new DRT Motorsports A-Pillar Interior Billet Grab Handle Kit for Polaris XPEDITION. Install time for this item is around 30 minutes and can be installed by yourself. It comes in at a difficulty level of beginner. You will need the following tools for this project: a power drill, 23/64 drill bit, rivet nut tool, and a 4mm T-handle hex key. So gather the tools and let's get started. Step 1. Mark and drill the mounting points. Begin by marking the locations for your mounting holes. Measure 3/4 of an inch up from the A-pillar plastic panel and 1 1/8 inches in from the outermost edge of the A-pillar. This point will serve as the center for the lower bolt hole. For this video, the holes have already been drilled out with a 23/64 drill bit. The bolt hole spacing on the grab handle is 5 3/4 inches center to center. So from your lower mark, measure 5 3/4 inches straight up to locate the center of the upper bolt hole. You can now drill the upper bolt hole. Step 2. Attach the rivet nuts. Now, use your rivet nut tool to install and secure both the upper and lower rivet nuts into the A-pillar. Step 3. Attach the grab handle. Use a 4mm T-handle hex key to attach the grab handle securely to the A-pillar. Each handle showcases a bold, multi-layered DRT design with a military-grade anodized finish. The result is a secure, ergonomic grip and an aggressive interior upgrade that enhances both form and function. Congratulations, you have now installed your new DRT Motorsports A-Pillar Interior Billet Grab Handle Kit. If you have any questions during the installation, feel free to contact us via phone or email. Our support team is here to help. To stay up to date on the latest DRT Motorsports products and events, be sure to subscribe and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Own the dirt with DRT.